Okay, in this tutorial we're going to be talking about user roles. So one of the things that we have available to us as far as defaults go in the WordPress content management system is we can set up a user and have them have different roles. And one of the things, if you want a user to be able to make a post but you don't want them to be able to publish it, what you would do is you would set them up as a contributor. So let's set up Jack, and let's give him an email, Max at A1 Website Pro, and then call him Jack Smack. And maybe he doesn't have a website, but we'll give him a password, another password. And whenever we set his role, we're going to set him as a contributor. Then that way he can make posts, but he can't publish them. So we're going to go ahead and add a new user. So I'm going to bring up another browser screen with a login, and his name was Jack, and put in his password here. And then we'll go ahead and click Remember Me and log in. Remember password. And it'll log old Jack Smack in, and we see that he doesn't have as many choices as does like an administration person would see. So this is all that he would have available to him. Now he could go in, he could edit his profile, and if he wants the blue background he could do that. He could change his password and then click update his profile, and so now he has that nice little blue theme. So, and he can look at the posts. Okay, he can view the post, right? Just like anybody else can. And he can add a new post, all right? So let's go ahead. This is Jack Smack's post. All right. Now the one thing that we want Jack Smack to be able to do is add some media. So how we do that is we insert a little code into our theme, and if you go to a1websitepro.com and you would click on WordPress functions for WordPress, I have a little code right here. So you take this code and right click and copy it, and you would put it in your theme. And so if you're an administrator like you are here, Sawdust Diaries. Let me find it again. There it is. You would go under Appearance, Editor, and then do you see where it says Theme Functions? You can click that right there. And then you scroll down to the bottom and then just put the little function here, and you can see that I've already did it. Okay? So the function's in there. So now let's go back to Jack Smack's post here, and let's go ahead and refresh this page now that I put that little function in there. And you can see that Jack Smack can now add media. So congratulations, Jack Smack. Okay, so anyway, let's go to all posts and see this is Jack Smack's draft here. So he wants to add a picture, and because Jack Smack really likes pictures, and maybe he'll grab this picture right here and click insert into post. Okay, and then he'll talk about this project picture. Alright, he could select the category, what category that he wants it in. He could give some tags. Okay, you can even set a featured image with it. Maybe we'll this nice little light there. Be nice if he gives it some alt text, you know, because we know that that's good for search engine optimization. But we'll go ahead and just set the featured image there, and it'll come up. And so once he gets it all good and done, and he thinks it's all ready to go, what he would do is submit it for review. You notice he can't publish it; he can only submit it for review. So he's going to go ahead and submit that for review. Now you'll notice that old Jack Smack, the contributor, he cannot go in and edit any posts. Okay, he can only take care of his own posts. Okay, so he's let me go back here and point something out to you. So he has mine. And then he can look at all posts. Okay, so you notice he can only view, but he can only edit his own posts. Okay, and there's a draft. So this is submitted to the administrators for review and then for publish. So as an administrator, let me bring up administrator here. Here we go. When they log in, they should have got an email saying Jack Smack has a pending post. And so the administrator go in, look at Jack Smack's post and say, okay, Jack Smack did a good job, and maybe publish it. Okay. And then only after the administrator publishes it will it be online. So now all we needed was that little code there from A1 Website Pro, and then you can see this is Jack Smack's post, and you can check it out there. This is Max with A1 Website Pro. I hope this has been an informative tutorial for you. You can check out my website, a1websitepro.com, for functions, codes, and plugins, and WordPress themes to come in the future.